the ice maker that'll change your life. No more boring cubes, just soft, chewy, addictive nugget ice. You know that disappointment when you take a sip of your favorite drink, only to have hard, clunky ice cubes ruin the vibe? Those stiff cubes dilute your drink too fast, crack your teeth, and don't even give you that soft, chewable crunch you crave. Maybe you've even driven to a certain fast food chain just to get your hands on that magical pellet ice. But why settle for a life of chasing ice dreams when you can have endless nugget ice right on your countertop? Introducing the Gevi Household Version 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, your personal chewable ice factory. Say goodbye to ice cube mediocrity and hello to soft, chewable, flavor-absorbing nugget ice, just like the kind you get at Chick-fil-A or Sonic. Unlike boring rock-solid cubes, Gevi's pellet ice chills your drinks fast without diluting the taste, giving you the ultimate sipping experience. With a massive 30 pounds daily ice production, a 4.8 pounds ice basket, and auto-refill technology, you'll never run out of ice again. Whether you're hosting, hydrating, or just snacking on ice, we see you, fellow ice chewers. Gevi's got you covered. Cleaning an ice machine? No thanks. That's why Gevi takes care of it for you. With self-cleaning technology and a built-in infrared sensor that pauses ice making when the basket is full, this machine practically runs itself. And let's talk about noise, because who wants a jet engine in their kitchen? Gevi's high-performance compressor and muted fan mean you'll barely hear a thing while your ice churns out like a quiet little frozen miracle. Whether it's day or night, this machine stays chill, literally and figuratively. This beauty fits right under your wall cabinet and blends into any kitchen with its sleek stainless steel design. Unlike cheap, flimsy ice makers, Gevi's upgraded compressor tech ensures long-lasting performance, so you're not replacing it in a year. Its extra thick insulation even retains 85% of ice for 12 hours, so your ice doesn't vanish before the party even starts. Plus, no plumbing required, just open, pour, and let the magic begin. It's as simple as making toast, but way more fun. Why keep suffering through bland, basic ice when you can have the good stuff, whenever you want? Gevi's tech-tested, self-cleaning, and whisper-quiet design makes it the only ice maker worth having. You'll save time, money, and countless trips to the store while upgrading your drink game to elite status. So, stop settling for freezer-burnt cubes and start living the chewable ice dream. Click Add to Cart and let the good times and ice roll.